Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been getting some inquiries about how people can improve their shortwave listening. There are people that have bought a portable radio that has shortwave on it, and they want to listen to international broadcasts. Or there are people that used to listen to shortwave and are now coming back and listening to shortwave once again because of all the things going on in the world, and they want to hear broadcast from other countries, what other countries are saying. So I'm going to do a series, a little mini series of these tips, of which a lot of you will know what these tips are and already do what I'm suggesting. But if you don't, this could really be helpful. So here we go with tip number 1. Take your radio outside. Assuming you have a portable radio, if you live in a location where you cannot put up an outside antenna, that's ideal, putting up an outside antenna, then take your radio outside and use its telescopic antenna. Antennas always function better outside. That's when I do most of my shortwave listening. I'm in my workshop and I'm using my outside antennas because there's no restriction for antennas in my old neighborhood. Walls, even windows, can attenuate HF or shortwave signals. Yeah. Find a place in your yard as far away from your house as you can and away from other houses. So don't move away from your house, but move close to another house. Their RF noise could be worse than your house. So kind of find yourself a sweet spot and stay away from power lines and like internet cable lines and stuff like that. Get away from that noise. If your yard is too small and the houses are too close by, you can't get away from the noise, find a park and find the best open area in the park. I have a local park that I go to. I've done videos from that park. If you look at my older videos, and I found a sweet spot by moving around and finding where I can get the best reception, either in my backyard or a park. And even if face different directions can make a big difference. Tune a station like WWV or some other strong station, and then move around and see what the differences are. Then, when you find what gives you the strongest signal, then look for those weak signals. That's the idea. I have found if I go to a park that has a pond or a lake or body of water nearby, that seems to improve my reception. Now, maybe it has nothing to do with the water. Maybe it's just the location in the park, but you might try that. The main thing is just get away from things that are causing interference on your shortwave band. Conclusion, get out and do some shortwave listening before it gets too cold, especially if you live up north. Now, down in Florida where I live, that's not a problem. Matter of fact, it's really getting nice outside. It was too hot before. Okay, I'm going to do some more tips. Those are simple tips, no cost. If you have one and you'd like to share, please do so. Put it in the comments below. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you enjoy and are helpful. And have a great day. Bye-bye.